How to export ChatGPT chats without copy paste. It's very simple, just follow along. So as you can see, you will be able to find a export chat option, but if you have a normal ChatGPT, just go ahead and Google AI PRM for ChatGPT and just add into extension simply by clicking on the bubble at the next side. So by doing so, there will be a couple of procedures which you can do, and right after you complete it, you'll be able to see the option. And for example, this is a chat. I will just tap on export chat, and now if I tap on the up arrow, and it will ask me for an application to open with. So if I go ahead and try to open it with Adobe and just press on OK, the Adobe won't be able to open it due to the empty extension. So what you have to do is you have to head back and you have to tap on more application and choose Notepad this time and press on OK. And after a while, you'll be able to see a notepad being displayed with all the chats. As you can see right here, it is exactly the same. So that's it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.